Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Chap Shap Garage. That's right, where we do everything hack. So I got a couple updates for you guys. I'm looking at the 250R again here. We've been filming outside because we got the top quad inside. I can't be giving that stuff away. And we also got some Obor tires. Got a nice big shipment. It looks like 6 tires came in. So we ordered 8. So there should be a couple of those coming in. So let me tell you what's going on with the 250R. I'll spin around here. You guys can see it. Okay, so if for those following along, I decided to send out my cylinder to get it rebored, just trued up, make sure that it's 100%. It was running well. I was reading some of the comments and I got a couple DMs. I think there was a little bit of confusion. The quad didn't actually overheat this time and fail. When I said overheat in the last one, I was referring to the initial time it overheated out at the sand dunes. I was thinking that maybe that warped the cylinder or whatever. So the quad was actually running really well, and it didn't fail this time around, but because the compression was a little bit light, just to be safe, we're getting the cylinder taken care of. So the cylinder made it to its destination. It reached JST's shop. He took it to his guy. They spec'd out the cylinder and everything. Looks like we're good to go. We're gonna be able to make it perfectly straight. And is the only thing that we're waiting on right now is gonna be the new piston. So I do have some good news on that as well. So I was saying that I was gonna switch over to a traditional style piston because I wasn't able to get an oversized CEO style piston, but we ended up talking to Arlen over at Lead Performance, and you actually can get oversized CEO pistons. They're just not listed on the ESR site. So we're gonna be able to keep it a CEO, which is awesome. So when we get our dyno tune on the way out to the sand dunes, we'll be getting CEO numbers. I know a lot of you guys were really looking forward to seeing those numbers. So at this point, the only thing we're waiting on is for that new piston to come through. According to ESR, it should be there Friday. So we should be good to go, man. We'll get the cylinder taken care of, get that fresh piston in there, and we're still rocking the CEO. It's gonna be great. I will probably go out to Justin's maybe on Monday. So that'll give me a day or two to get the top end on, make sure that everything's good to go. And then we're gonna be getting this thing dyno tuned with the guys from DRW Performance. So we will have the jetting dialed in and we should be good to go. I'm definitely happy with the decision I made. I think this is all gonna come together really nicely. So here's the 250R. It's essentially in the same state that it was yesterday, but I did clean off the surface area for our gasket so that when we get out to Justin's place, it'll be as easy as just throwing everything on. We got some extra gaskets and everything. We should be good to go. And I figured I would show you my bin of parts. I tried to have everything organized. I have all my bolts and stuff in here. You can see my reed block. I already cleaned all the gasket material off of it and everything. I got everything organized just so that we can do everything as quickly as possible. The pipe's in there, got the tank there. We're gonna be running that new Sabo oil for the next time around. Got my spacer plate all nice and cleaned off. And of course we got the service manual in there. This is that carb that JST gave me in case we decide to run a different carb. Got the silencer down there. We should be good to go. Check this out, man. Some brand new tires. Everybody likes getting new shit. So we have 2 sets of tires here. We got a set for the 250R and we also got a set for the top quad. The ones for the 250R, we are sticking with the same size that was on there currently. Well, actually not currently, because right now we have those gold wheels with the OEM tires, or OEM size anyway. I believe they're 21s in the front and 20s in the back, like a traditional sport quad size. But we are gonna be replacing the ones that were on the OMF beadlocks, which are a motocross setup that is a 20 by 6 by 10 in the front and 18 by 10 by 8 in the rear. I think I got that right. And we're also gonna be running these on the top quad. So I got a nice set of really kind of cross-country style tires from them. They look really aggressive. They look like they're gonna do a great job. We got 21s in the front and 20s in the back, but why talk about them, guys? Let's open them up and check them out. Oh yeah, everybody likes getting new stuff, man. All right, I think these look like the big tires. It looks like we got 6 tires here, so I'm guessing that the other 2 will come in the mail later. So I'm gonna pop these open. These look like the ones for the 250R. So these should be 18s and 20s. I love the smell of new tires, I really do. But I imagine if I worked in like a tire shop or like BJ's or something in the tire section, if you guys know what I'm talking about, I feel like that's like a stereotypical wholesale club smell tires. I think I'd get tired of it. Damn, I really like the tread pattern on these. Damn, these are nice. Holy shit, dude, these things are beefy as wow. Damn, look how wide they are. Jeez. Oh yeah, man, these are some serious looking tires. I love the way tires look with hairs on them. I don't know why, just because it's like brand spanking new. But I really like the tread pattern on here. You guys can check that out. These are their Advent MX. Those will look really good on the 250R. And here's the rear tire. These are those 18 by 10s. Give you guys a look at the tread pattern. And I brought out one of the hole shots just to do a comparison. It actually looks like it's a little bit wider, but once we put air in it, it might narrow up a little bit. This is a 4-ply tire, I believe, and this is a 2-ply. So I wanted to get a heavier ply to begin with because that's part of the reason these damn things popped in the first place. It's because they're 2-plies, a little too skimpy. So these should be a little bit more hardcore. You can see they do have a similar tread pattern, but it looks like the sidewall might bite a little bit more with the O-bore tires. All right, now let's check out the big boys. Dude, check it out. The Advent. This tire looks like it wants to kill somebody, man. Tell you what, O-bore does not mess around when it comes to tires. These look like they're gonna be awesome. Look at the sidewall. These lugs are probably gonna bite really, really nice. These are going to rip up the trails, man. The stuff that we're riding the Top Quad series on is like cross country. So I think these are gonna be absolutely perfect. And here's the front tire. Man, just super aggressive, man. Look at the size of the lugs. These are gonna be awesome, man. I cannot wait to run these. We'll be heading up to Matt's shop to throw these on the Top Quad, and we'll also be putting them on the 250R. Oh, and these are a 6-ply, I wanted to say. So these are a nice heavy duty tire. Shouldn't have to worry about any punctures out on the trails. So again, huge thank you to O-bore Tires for sending these bad boys out. Now, O-bore is a company I wasn't even aware of. If you guys are interested in ATV tires, I would definitely check them out on their website at oboretires.com. And you can also check them out on Instagram at O-bore Tires. So we'll probably have more information on those in the future and when we can actually reveal the Top Quad and whatnot like that. But I will give you guys an update on the Top Quad as well. So like I said in yesterday's video, I wanted to get started on the motor. I got the bottom end entirely together. We're ready to rock and roll. Everything's looking good. We replaced the 5th gear. It looks really, really clean. I really wish I could show you guys pictures, but obviously I can't, or I'm going to give away what machine we have. So today I'm going to try to continue moving on with like the clutch side and the stator side, because right now it's just the bottom cases are together, and of course we got to do the top end. But the Top Quad is shaping up really quick. Still haven't found that exhaust. I don't know what the deal is with that. That's probably just going to show up at DBC Racing where I sent it. God knows when. If you guys are having issues with the post office, USPS, let me know in the comment section below. I'm hearing more and more about this like every single day about the delays and stuff across the country. So that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. I appreciate you watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. I appreciate all of you guys, and I will be with you guys tomorrow with another update and every day this week up until Little Sahara Sand Dunes. Appreciate all you guys. Peace out. Oh, and one more thing. I totally forgot. This whole time, I totally forgot to mention I'm wearing the brand new Top Quad shirt. So you can see it's got the Top Quad logo on the front, got Team Sabo on the back. You can also get Team JST if you really want to rock Justin's shirt, but whatever. I'll include the link in the description to both of our shirts if you want to support either one of us. Both of us appreciate it big time. It's definitely an awesome shirt. And I also just got another shirt that isn't through Teespring. These are available through Teespring. I ordered a second batch of shirts. It says full blown on it, and it's got the 250R on it and stuff. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to be offering them for sale, but I will have them at the sand dunes in Oklahoma for anybody that's going to be out there. All right, this time, peace out for real.